Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix an error message Excel couldn't start last time in Windows. Now, there might be an instance where you get an error message when you're trying to open Excel file saying that Excel couldn't start last time. Safe mode could help you to troubleshoot the problem, and you may go ahead and you would have two options, yes or no, on the screen. Now, there are a couple of ways to go ahead and resolve this issue. The first method is to open the Excel application in safe mode. So if you get a prompt, click on yes, and that should open the Excel application in safe mode by clicking on yes. Otherwise, in case if you don't see that prompt, what you can also do is you can try opening Excel in application safe mode. Now to do this, you may go ahead and click on search window. In the search window, you may go ahead and click on run. In the run, once you have the run window open, go ahead and type the command which says Excel space / save. This is the command to open Excel in application safe mode. And just in case if you get any prompt, you may go ahead and click on OK. So this should ideally allow you to open the Excel application. Now, which means that if you're able to open an Excel application in application safe mode, all the third-party add-ons which are associated with Excel has been disabled, and the add-ins could cause the problem. If you are able to open the file, well and good. The next step what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and disable the add-ins. So when you have the Excel application in safe mode open, you may go ahead and click on file at the top left corner and then click on options. Once you're on the options, click on add-ins. Under add-ins, click on Excel add-ins. Now these are the add-ins which are associated with Excel and which might be causing a problem. Now these add-ins might be different in your case. In my case, these are the add-ins which are currently installed or associated with Excel. In your case, it could be a different. So what you can do is you can go ahead and uncheck all these add-ins and click on OK. And then you may try to open Excel. Once this is been enabled, you may go ahead and try to open Excel. Now, in case if you are able to open Excel application without an error message, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. The next step, what I would suggest you to do is, I would suggest you to go ahead and empty the Excel application folder. Now, to delete or empty the Excel application folder, you will have to open, or you may have to click on search. In the search, you may go ahead and click on or type run. When you have the run for the best match, you will have the run window. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type the command %app_data% and click on OK. So this will take you to the folder location. Once you are in the app data folder, you may go ahead and open Microsoft. So double click on Microsoft. Under Microsoft, go ahead and look for Excel. This is where you will go ahead and delete the startup application folder. So open Excel, delete everything what you have in this folder. So in case if you see any folder listed under app data roaming Microsoft Excel, go ahead and delete it. Once you delete it, close this window and then try to open Excel or Excel application, see if it works. If it works, well and good, that should resolve the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, the next step what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to go ahead and reset the Excel options. Now to do this, what you will have to do is you will have to open the registry editor. Now to open the registry editor, you may go ahead and click on search. In the search, you may go ahead and type reg edit or registry editor. You will see the best match for registry editor. Double click on it. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may go ahead and click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you are on the registry editor, you may go ahead and collapse the registry keys and make sure the registry keys are displayed like the way how it is displayed on the screen. And before you make any changes here, I would strongly recommend you to follow this instruction carefully. In case if you make any incorrect modification or delete any incorrect keys, there are chances that your computer might not function the way how it's supposed to work. So make sure you follow this step carefully. So once you are in this structure, what you will have to do is you will have to expand HKey current user. Once you have expanded the HKey current user, you will have to go ahead and expand software. Expand software and look for Microsoft. It would be in alphabetical order. Under Microsoft, you will have to go ahead and expand Office. Now here, in case if you have, once you expand Office, you will see a different versions of Office. In case if you have the latest versions of Office, you will see Excel 16.0 because I have the latest version of Office. In case if you have the previous version, then you might have to go back to the previous, expand the previous version. So since I have the latest version of Office or Excel, I will expand Excel 16.0. Under 16.0, you will have to look for Excel because that's the application you're having a problem with. Under this, you will see a registry key which says option. So what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and delete the options key. So you can do a right click and click on delete. Once it is deleted, you may close the registry editor. Now, once you close the registry editor, next thing what you will have to do is you will have to make sure your Excel is been updated. So open Excel, open blank sheet, then click on file at the top left corner and then click on account. Under account, click on the drop down under update option and then click on update now. With this, what will happen is your Excel will be updated and you're good to go. With this, you should be able to open Excel or Excel file without any error message. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still seeing the error message, the next step what I would strongly recommend you to do is I would recommend you to go ahead and run the Office repair. To do this, you will have to open the run window. To open run window, click on the search and type run, or else you can press Windows and R key simultaneously to open run window. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type the command appwiz.cpl. This is the command line which will allow you to open programs and features window. Click on OK. Once you have the programs and features window, under this list, look for Microsoft Office. So in my case, I have Microsoft 365. It might be a different in your case, so you don't have to worry. All you need to do is you need to highlight the version of Office what you're seeing on the screen and then click on change. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. In this section, you will see or you will have two options to go ahead and repair. Click on quick. You will have an option to quick repair and online repair. Now the difference is with the quick repair, it will go ahead and do the quick repair and also see if there are any files which are associated or which can be repaired. But what I would strongly recommend you to do is I would recommend you to go ahead with the online repair. With this, what it will do is it will try to repair if there are any corrupt files associated with the Office application. So the recommended one is an online repair, and when you're following this step, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. So click on repair again in case if you see a prompt. So with this, your Microsoft Office will try to repair using the online repair tool and it will try to fix the problem by itself. Now, once the repair is complete, what you can do is you can go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, try opening Excel and that should fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step and if you're still seeing a problem, please leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.